Well, that's the C9 Pro turning on. Bharat is a happy customer, I believe. He's had this running for about how many days now? Almost a month. Almost a month. And he's also done some trips on it. And decent.
Almost 2,000 kilometers trip. Right?
2,000 kilometers on that. And did it see rain? Did you come across rain in any of these trips? Okay. All kinds of weather and all kinds of climate. And this has been tested today thoroughly in off-road conditions. Serious testing. Bloody thing works well. I mean, it's such a big screen. It's much better than what's on mine, the C5 Pro. But I like the C5 Pro on the Himalayan because it complements the size of the instrument console. But on this, it's almost parallel to his instrument console and almost the same size. If you guys look at this, if I were to turn the camera around, this would look bigger because there's a perspective foreshortening happening here. Anyway, so that bloody thing has been tested. It's been going good, going steady, no problems. The C9 Pro, there's only two wires. One goes to the negative of the battery and the positive goes to an ignition circuit. Any of these couplers that you have which has an ignition wire to it, you attach the positive from this to the ignition wire. Simple. There's no additional accessory wire coming in from this device. So that's the C9 Pro, fellas. Looks cool on the baby Beamer.